Anywhere else, meccazingo.com. You do need a bank account.
Charlie, what are you doing?
Is you don't need a bank.
What are you doing?
Nationwide is owned by and run for the benefit of
What are you doing, Charlie?
not shareholders. Switch today. Nationwide. On your side.
When it's cold outside, even a temperature change can cause a chip to crack. Eventually, all of them do. Nobody covers more of the UK than Autoglass. So we'll come to wherever's best for you and repair your chip, saving you time and money. Because usually, if you fully comp, it's free for you.
You like your fear?
No claims.
You do, don't you? You're always a fear, you.
It's easy to use. It's a great way to watch unlimited TV series and what your family needs to get going, broadband and any of these devices. Now including the Nintendo Wii and Wii U. For just a $5 a month. And with so much for the kids to watch, they'll never want to go up. You need bonkers not to try. Love films for Christmas.
My cats are usually the best of friends, but sometimes they can get a little catty. Bring harmony back to your home. Plug in a Feliway diffuser. Recommended by vets, Feliway helps to keep your cat content and helps stop unwanted behaviour. They become
Oh, it's snowing.
Feliway.
A hotel in Barcelona. Two people.
Come on, more stylish.
Okay.
This one is perfect.
Find your ideal hotel at the best price. Hotel Trivago.
Who's a pretty bye? Who's a pretty bye, Charlie?
I know I have. You could see that delivered from. What is there in
Cynthia.